Modern batteries have increasingly specific performance requirements, and carbon black has proven to be a key component in meeting them. To prevent contamination, the battery is assembled in the ultra-clean environment of a glovebox. This controlled setting minimizes the risk of chemical decomposition processes and supports stable battery aging and long-term performance. Once complete, the cell is safely transferred out of the glovebox through an airlock. The finished EL cells are then tested under strict conditions. In addition, pouch cells can also be produced and tested. Key parameters such as cycle life, as shown in the graphic on the right, are carefully measured. In addition, internal resistance and temperature behavior are thoroughly analyzed, highlighting the long battery lifetime. C-rate performance at high currents, illustrated in the graphic on the left, defines important characteristics such as fast charging capability. Ultimately, every step, from the carbon black formulation and dispersion to coating, electrode production, and final assembly, plays a vital role in ensuring the performance, safety, and longevity of the finished battery.